question that we get, and picking the appropriate shell type is vital. The reason why it's so important is that the shell is the interface between the foot and the ground reaction forces. And the main question we'll ask you back is, what is the main aim of you prescribing the device? So the device needs to match the patient, the pathology, their function and their footwear. So we'll also ask you, are you looking for a functional device or a palliative device? So a functional device aims at changing the load through the foot. So we'll recommend maybe polypropylene or carbon fibre or something that bit more rigid. If it's a palliative device, what you're looking at doing is offloading or cushioning, but really it's accommodating the foot, and we'll recommend much softer materials for that. We'll be chatting more about the difference between functional and palliative device shells in the next video.